What's up guys, RevSlider from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to duplicate sliders or slider elements on Slider Revolution WordPress plugin into its version 7 or bigger. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard on the browser address bar, enter on your domain plus wp-admin, enter with login credentials, and review the left sidebar of menus. Hover your mouse over Slider Revolution, click on it, and there is a couple of things that you can duplicate. Imagine that you are working to some complex layout that you have imported from the demo library of Slider Revolution. You can duplicate the slider, so your changes only gonna have effect into the new slider, not into the imported one. How to do this? Find your sliders, scroll down right here, hover over the sliders, click onto this little arrow pointing down, and click on duplicate. In this way, you're gonna have two equal sliders, and you can start working with your preferred one, okay? Without affecting the original one. Another thing that you can do is duplicate elements on your slider or even entire sliders. How? Let me show you one example. Yes, it does. Imagine that I would like to duplicate this button. You can click on the button and click right here, duplicate layer, and you're gonna have two buttons that you can play with. Okay? What else you can do? If you review the upper right corner of your screen, upper left corner of your screen, there is a field called layout. Click on it. Right here, you can also duplicate. You can see the elements, and while clicking on the element, you're going to be able to duplicate in the case that you want. And in the case that you don't like the duplication, you can delete it from here as well. Simple, right? What you can do is go to slides into the upper left corner of your screen next to Slider Revolution logotype. Here is an entire slider, okay? You can create a new one by duplicating, just like this. Now we have two sliders. One can be exactly equal the second one, but with a different button, a different link, a different title, a different background. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!